Everybody, this is Carl with Blue Ridge Mountain Birds and Wildlife, and we are going to do a Suet challenge. We're going to test this. What we got here? I guess it's CNS Woodpecker treat. I guess it says Suet for year-round bird feeding. It says the best ingredients has, it looks like 5 stars. It says best. Let's see what the ingredients we got here. It's got beef suet, roasted peanuts, oats, corn, almonds, peanuts, and walnuts. Actually, that is pretty impressive. I have good hope. That looks pretty good. I'm not going to complain. This looks like some good stuff here. I still think my suet will win because, I make some good stuff, but this right here looks like some good stuff. So I'm going to set this out today here in a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this suet cake, I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to put half of this in this suet feeder, and we'll put my suet, the other half, and the other side, and what we'll do is we'll let the birds eat all weekend, and I'll set the camera out, and I'll upload some periodic pictures of the birds, periodic videos, and we'll see what happens. But I have pretty good hope for this stuff because the suet, the ingredients: beef suet, roasted peanuts, oats, corn, almonds, pecans, walnuts. It looks pretty good. I mean, I think the corn. Woodpeckers do like the corn. I think honestly they should put some sunflower seeds and substitute that. But I got pretty good hopes for this stuff. This stuff may actually work. I'm gonna rephrase that. It will work. It's good stuff. But it may give my suet a challenge. So we're gonna set this up here. We're gonna get this ready to go. Buddy, I'm outside here at the bird feeder. It's a chilly one today. All the snow is melted from last week. It's definitely a lot warmer than it was last weekend, but still pretty cold. And like I said, here's the test we got here. Here's the Carl suet, the Blue Ridge Mountain Birds and Wildlife suet, homemade recipe. And here is the store-bought, I think it's the peanut blend. It's the woodpecker stuff. You can see the beginning of the video, but here's the store-bought stuff. We're going to test the two out, and the fill the corn and all that. I'm going to set the camera up here, and I'll upload some videos with this, and we'll see how it goes. Morning, everybody. Check this out. It's Sunday. This has been out for about 24 hours. As you can tell, this is my homemade suet. It's pretty much down to half of what it was. The store-bought stuff, I mean, some stuff's eating it. They're nibbling on it. I mean, they like it, but again, my stuff's still doing pretty good. I gotta get some, I gotta put some sunflower seeds out there. But like I said, so far, I'm gonna set the camera up, but it looks like, here's the store-bought, and here's my suet. My suet's getting eaten up pretty good. So this Blue Ridge Mountain Birds and Wildlife suet's doing pretty well. And the store-bought stuff, it's doing good. Like I said, it's not bad. I mean, they like it. They just like my stuff better. So I'm going to set the camera up here and we'll see if we can get some more bird shots. Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning. It's been about been about 2 days since I've did the suet test. As you can tell right now, this right here is my suet, and this right here is a store-bought suet. As you can tell, we've had some rain, some snow, some freezing rain since I last checked in. It's really nasty out here, but so it should be a good day for the birds. I'm going to set the camera up. We're going to see what we get. As you can tell, the birds are nibbling on this peanut suet. But I still do like my stuff pretty good. Let me squeeze this up here and make it a good test. Alright, so it looks like right now that I'm going to go on record and say it looks like my stuff still won out. But I will say the birds, this peanut stuff isn't that bad. I mean, if I were to do it with my stuff, my own, I would take away the oats and some of that stuff, but it adds some more sunflowers. But it still looks pretty good. I mean, like I said, this stuff here isn't that bad. I mean, the birds do like it. They're nibbling on it. It's good stuff. I just like the homemade stuff better. But so we got done with the suet challenge here. Like I said, I had the this right here was the woodpecker treat. This is my homemade suet. This suet set out for approximately, let's see, it was out from approximately about 48 hours. And as you can tell, the suets were about the same size. This is what's remaining from mine. And this is what's remaining from the store-bought stuff, the woodpecker treat. Now, the woodpecker treat, they liked it. They did pretty well with it. They ate it up. They liked it. I mean, I would use this stuff. They just like my stuff better. And they might like my stuff better because maybe they're just used to my recipe. Or maybe it's better. But with this challenge, I'm going to conclude here that my suet, the Blue Ridge Mountain Birds and Wildlife suet, won this challenge. It beat the woodpecker treat But like I said, the woodpecker treat stuff isn't bad. I mean, it's only $1. That's some good stuff for $1. But like I said, that's what happens. You know, we had the challenge. Blue Ridge Mountain Wildlife, Birds and Wildlife Suet won out, and we'll see what happens later. So if you want to see more suet challenges, because I got some more stuff here. I got some more suet cakes we got to test out here. Hopefully one of these suet cakes can beat mine. But if you want to see more stuff like this, and if you want to see some more bird stuff, or learn some more bird and wildlife stuff, hit that subscribe button and continue watching Blue Ridge Mountain Birds and Wildlife.